Morning students, welcome back to your VVPS e-learning class. I am your English teacher Aditi Dey. Today I am going to demonstrate the new chapter of English grammar, that is lesson 11, degrees of comparison. Today I can demonstrate the whole chapter easily, that you can make it clear that there are three forms of adjectives, that is known as degree of comparison. Okay students, so in this chapter you all comes to know how the three degrees are there in your this chapter 11. So students, there is no problem when I can demonstrate you. If you have feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally also. Okay students, so there is three degrees of comparison which I can demonstrate you in this chapter, your lesson 11, degree of comparison. So students, let's begin with the chapter, that is lesson 11 of English grammar, degree of comparison. Students, this is your chapter 11, degrees of comparison. Okay, let's begin with the chapter. This is your chapter. When we compare two or more nouns, we make use of comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives. Means, when we compare two or more nouns, okay, so we make use of comparative and superlative degree of adjectives. Like this, if we take the example, there are three houses are there. This one is Alina's house, this is Muskan's house, and this is Aditi's house. Na? So you are seeing that the smallest house is of Muskan's house. Na? Alina's house is, Aditi's house is a little bit bigger than this Muskan's house, and Alina's house is more bigger than this two houses. Okay. So this is degree of comparison. In this, if we take the examples, Alina's house is small, means Alina's house is small. Muskan's house is smaller. Muskan's house is smaller, and Aditi's house is the smallest. Okay. So according to the picture, there are three houses are given. Small is the positive degree of comparison. Means when we write the word simply as an adjective, means small is an adjective, so it is a positive degree. And when we change it into comparative, it is smaller. We add ER. And when it is be into the superlative, we add EST. It will be changed into superlative degree of comparison. So in the above examples, we see how three houses are compared with the help of the degrees of adjectives. Like small is the adjective, you all know it is a quality, na? So it is adjective. Now these three forms of adjectives are called degree of comparison. Means always adjective in a simple form, it is positive degree. When we add ER, it is changed into the comparative degree, and when we add EST, it will change into the superlative degree. So this is given in the description also. The first one is a small is positive degree. The second is a smaller, it is comparative. When we make comparison into between two, we can add ER, and it is making the changing into comparison. We are doing the comparison. So the second is smaller is comparative degree, and the third is the smallest is superlative degree. So comparative degree is used to compare the two nouns, whereas superlative is used to compare more than two nouns. So like this, chapter is completed. So it at the end, important point is given that we add ER to make comparative and EST to make superlative degree out of the positive degree. I hope this is clear to you all. Now I can tell you how you can write in your fair copy. Okay. This is your English language fair copy. You can first mention today's date, that is 29/20. Lesson 11, that is degrees of comparison, and at the right side classwork and give the first heading degrees of comparison. You can write the definition like this, that when we compare two or more nouns, we make use of comparative and superlative degree of adjectives. For example, small is a positive degree, smaller is a comparative degree, and smallest is the superlative degree, which I have given you in the chapter also. Na? So, in this above, the small, smaller, smallest. In this above example, small, we see that there are 3 houses are given in the book also. So, 3 houses are compared with the help of degree of adjectives, that is small. So, here small is the adjective which we can change according to the comparison, it is smaller, and when we change into the superlative, it will be the smallest. Okay. So, these 3 forms of adjectives are called degree of comparison. You can write it into the fair copy also like this. And at the last, the main point is we add ER to make comparative degree and EST to make superlative degree out of positive degree. Like this, if other examples are also given, like what is given, it is small. If it is given big, how can you change? You can change big, bigger, biggest. Like this, you can change this and complete your answer. If positive degree is given, you can add ER to change into comparative and add EST to change it into the superlative degree. So, students, you have to mention today's date, lesson number, lesson name and the heading like this, and complete the whole work like this as I have completed in this copy. You have to complete it into the fair copy of your English language. So, there is no confusion. Mention today's date and classwork and complete the whole work like this. Use blue and black pen for the headings and blue pen for the writing, and give line, 1 line space, 2 line space like this. So, make the writing clear and your handwriting should be neat and clean and spelling should be correct. Okay. And if you feel any problem to understanding this, you can ask me in the class group also, as I have told you in the earlier previous classes also. So, if you have any problem, you can ask me. And today's homework is you have to learn the chapter, this degree of comparison. You have to go through it, read the chapter properly, and ask any difficult word you feel, any difficult paragraph you feel, you can ask me to in the class. Okay, students. So, continue with the chapter and complete it neatly and nicely. Thank you, beta.